In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see fees on OpenSea. By the end, you'll know exactly where the fees appear and how to quickly navigate to a listing to view the full total before you commit to a purchase. Start by opening the OpenSea website in your browser. From the home page, head to the collections section. This is where you can browse projects and narrow down what you're interested in buying. Even if you already have a specific item in mind, it's helpful to see the broader market context first. Next, open the floor price filter. The floor price is the lowest listing price in a collection, and filtering by it helps you avoid outliers and focus on items within your budget. Enter your minimum and maximum range, then apply the filter. This tightens the results so you're only looking at collections and items that match your target price band. With results loaded, use the sorting controls to quickly gauge market activity. Sort by floor price to line up collections from lowest to highest. Check 1D change to see how prices are moving over the past day. A big positive or negative swing can hint at momentum or risk. Look at top offer to understand what buyers are currently bidding, which can be a reality check against list prices. Then review 1D volume and 1D sales to spot where real trading is happening. Higher volume and sales usually indicate better liquidity if you plan to exit later. If you already know what you want, use the search bar at the top to find a collection or a specific NFT by name. Select the collection or item from the results to open its page. Once you've found an item you're considering, click Buy Now. This is the key step for seeing fees. The checkout panel will show the item price, any applicable creator earnings or marketplace fees, and the estimated network fee when available. The total will combine these into a single amount so you know exactly what you'll pay. Keep in mind that network fees can fluctuate based on blockchain activity, and some chains display an estimate that can adjust at confirmation. Creator earnings, when enabled by the collection, are typically a percentage of the sale and are shown before you confirm. Before proceeding, take a moment to review the line items and the final total. If you're comparing multiple listings, repeat the process to see which one yields the best all-in cost. That's it. Using these filters and the Buy Now view, you can clearly see fees and make confident decisions on OpenSea.